Dreaming of visiting the UK? Well, your journey just got easier with the UK via eVisa. In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the UK via eVisa, how to apply, who's eligible, and why it's the smartest way to travel. Hi there, you're welcome to our channel. The UK via eVisa is your digital ticket to explore the rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes of the United Kingdom. Let's dive in and discover how simple it is to get your eVisa. Firstly, what is a visa? An eVisa, or electronic visa, is a digital version of a traditional visa that allows travelers to apply for and receive their travel authorization online, without needing to visit an embassy or consulate. Here are the key features and benefits of an eVisa. What are the features of eVisa? Key features of an eVisa online application. The entire process, from application to approval, is conducted online via a government or authorized website. Digital documentation. Applicants submit required documents electronically, such as a scanned passport, photograph, and proof of travel arrangements. Email delivery. Once approved, the eVisa is sent to the applicant via email. The traveler can print it out or save a digital copy on their device. Electronic verification. Immigration authorities can verify the eVisa electronically upon arrival, streamlining the entry process. Benefits of an eVisa: convenience. No need to visit a consulate or embassy. Application can be completed from anywhere with internet access. Time efficiency. Faster processing times compared to traditional visa applications. No need for scheduling appointments or interviews. Cost savings. Reduces costs associated with travel to embassies or consulates. Transparent and often lower application fees. Simplified process. Straightforward online forms. Step-by-step guidance throughout the application process. Security. Secure online systems protect personal information. Reduces the risk of losing physical documents. Flexibility. Often allows for multiple entries. Various types available for tourism, business, study, and medical purposes. Typical eVisa application process. Eligibility check. Confirm if your nationality is eligible for an eVisa to the destination country. Gather required documents. Prepare a valid passport, a digital passport-sized photo, and other required documents such as travel itineraries or invitation letters. Complete online form. Fill out the online application form with personal details, travel information, and answers to security questions. Pay the visa fee. Use a secure online payment method to pay the visa fee. Submit application. Review and submit your application online. Receive eVisa. After processing, receive the visa via email. Print or save a digital copy to present upon arrival. Step-by-step guide to register for the UK via eVisa***. Step 1. Check eligibility***. Visit the UK government's official website to ensure your country of residence is eligible for the UK eVisa. Step 2. Gather required documents***. Valid passport. Recent passport-sized photograph. Proof of travel plans, flight tickets, accommodation details. Step 3. Complete the online application***. Go to the UK via eVisa application page. Fill out the application form with your personal details, travel information, and answer the security questions. Step 4. Pay the visa fee***. Use a secure online payment system to pay the visa fee. The fee varies, so check the latest rates on the official website. Step 5. Submit your application***. Review your application for accuracy. Submit the completed application online. Step 6. Wait for approval***. After submission, wait for your eVisa to be processed. Processing times can vary but typically take a few days. You will receive your eVisa via email. Step 7. Print or save your eVisa***. Print a copy of your eVisa or save a digital copy on your phone for easy access. ###tips. Double-check all information for accuracy before submitting. Keep a copy of your eVisa and important documents while traveling. By following these steps, you can smoothly apply for and receive your UK via eVisa, making your travel preparations easier and more efficient. Benefits of the UK eVisa. UK eVisa offers numerous advantages, making the process of visiting the United Kingdom simpler and more convenient for travelers. Here are the detailed benefits of opting for the UK eVisa. 1. Convenience and accessibility. Online application process. The entire application process is conducted online, eliminating the need to visit a consulate or embassy. This makes it accessible from anywhere in the world. 24/7 application access. You can apply for the visa at any time that suits you, without being restricted by office hours. 2. Time-saving. Quick processing time. E-visas are typically processed faster than traditional visa applications. In many cases, you can receive your e-visa within a few days. No appointment needed. Unlike traditional visas, there is no need to schedule and attend an appointment at a visa application center. Simplified documentation. Minimal paperwork. The visa application requires fewer documents compared to the traditional visa process. Essential documents include your passport, a recent photograph, and proof of travel plans. Electronic submission. All required documents are submitted electronically, reducing the hassle of managing physical paperwork. 4. Cost-effective. Reduced travel costs. As the process is entirely online, there's no need to travel to an embassy or consulate, saving you transportation and accommodation costs. Transparent fees. Visa fees are paid online, and the costs are clearly outlined on the official website, avoiding hidden charges. 5. Flexibility. Multiple entry options. Depending on the type of e-visa issued, you may be allowed multiple entries into the UK during the validity period. Variety of visa types. The UK visa caters to different types of visitors, including tourists, business travelers, short-term students, and those seeking medical treatment. 6. Enhanced security. Secure application system. The UK government's online visa system is secure, ensuring the safety of your personal information. Verified process. The visa is a government-issued document, providing legitimacy and assurance for your travels. 7. Environmentally friendly. Paperless process. By submitting documents and applications online, the visa process reduces paper consumption, contributing to environmental sustainability. 8. Ease of use. User-friendly interface. The online application system is designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions and help sections to guide you through each step. Support services. Should you encounter any issues, there are support services available to assist you with your application. 9. Streamlined entry into the UK. Faster border control with your e-visa pre-approved. The immigration process at UK borders can be quicker and smoother. Digital documentation. Carrying an electronic copy of your e-visa on your phone or tablet ensures that you have easy access to your visa details at all times.
When opting for the UK visa, travelers have the advantage of enjoying a more streamlined, adjustable, and protected method for devising their plans for their trip to the United Kingdom. This applies whether their visit is for leisure, professional reasons, or for academic purposes. The e-visa significantly simplifies the entire process, allowing travelers to concentrate on thoroughly enjoying their endearing trip.
Lastly, let's take about the guide you through the steps to register for an e-visa. Whether you're planning a trip for leisure, business, or study, getting your e-visa is simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure you have everything you need before you begin the application process. 1. Valid passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. 2. Digital passport-sized photo. Have a recent, clear, passport-sized photograph ready in digital format. 3. Travel details. Prepare your travel itinerary, including flight tickets and accommodation details. 4. Payment method. A valid credit or debit card to pay the visa fee. Got everything? Great! Now let's walk through the application process step by step. Step 1. Check eligibility. Step 1. Visit the official eVisa website of the country you're visiting. Check if your country of residence is eligible for any visa. Most official websites have a list of eligible countries. Navigate to the eligibility section and confirm your eligibility. Step 2. Fill out the online application form. Here's how you do it. Enter your personal details, passport information, and travel plans. Double-check all entries for accuracy. Step 3. Upload your required documents. Upload a digital copy of your passport-sized photo, and any other required documents like your flight and hotel bookings. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. Use a secure online payment system to pay the visa fee. Fees can vary, so check the latest rates on the official website. Step 5. Review your application and submit it. Make sure all the information is correct, then submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email. Step 6. Wait for your eVisa to be processed. Processing times can vary, but you'll usually receive your eVisa via email within a few days. Step 7. Print your eVisa or save a digital copy on your phone. Having a printed copy or a digital copy on your device ensures you're ready to present it at immigration. And that's it. You're all set to travel with your eVisa. If you found this video watching, and safe travels.